Shara enjoys the tranquility of working in her garden. She starts her day the perfect way with a cup of Ceylon Premium Misty Tea. A truly luxurious indulgence. January is an avid artist who enjoys painting. She gets her inspiration by sipping on a delightful cup of Ceylon Absolute Finest Tea, an unrivaled flavor and quality. Jehan works a hectic job daily while balancing family duties at home. He stays calm and recharges himself after a grueling day at work with a cup of Ceylon Pure Relaxing Black Tea. An unwinding moment of pleasure. An exceptional taste with soothing properties. Running the thrives at sports and other physical activities in school. Always active and ready to take on any challenge. He gets energized with a stimulating cup of Ceylon Pure Vitality Tea. A lasting rejuvenation in every sip. Russel enjoys staying on top of current news and reading up on world history. He follows this relaxing routine with a cup of Ceylon Pure Origin Premier Tea. An unparalleled freshness that transcends ordinary moments. There is nothing better than a regular tea time ritual to gather the whole family and share stories about their day. It is a shared bond of love and appreciation for good tea that serves everyone's diverse needs. Embodying the essence of heritage, where each blend promises a journey of discovery. Russel's Ceylon Fine Teas, a tale of taste and tradition. Russel's, your wellness is our priority.